In today's video, I'll show you how to use Acuity Scheduling for consultants step by step. If you're a coach, business consultant, or freelancer, this setup will help you manage client bookings, automate scheduling, and keep your calendar organized without manual effort. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, start by setting up your calendar properly. Go to Availability and define your working hours. Set clear time blocks for client calls, strategy sessions, and focus time so your schedule stays balanced. If you offer multiple types of consulting services, you can create separate calendars or use a single calendar with structured availability depending on your workflow. Next, go to Appointment Types. Create different services based on what you offer, such as discovery calls, strategy sessions, audits, or coaching sessions. Set the duration for each service and make sure each one reflects the actual time you need for client work. You can also add buffer time between appointments so you have space to take notes, prepare reports, or reset before the next client. Now set your pricing if you charge for consultations and connect a payment method like Stripe or PayPal so clients can pay during booking. Next, go to Intake Forms. Create a short but focused form to collect client information before the session. For example, ask about their business goals, current challenges, or what they want to achieve from the consultation. This helps you prepare in advance and deliver more value during the call. Now customize your scheduling page. Add your branding, professional description, and clear instructions so clients understand how to book the right service. You can also enable automated email and SMS reminders to reduce no-shows and keep clients informed. After that, share your booking link or embed it into your website so clients can schedule appointments directly. Finally, test your setup by booking a sample appointment to make sure everything works correctly, including notifications, payment, and intake forms. And that's it. You've successfully set up Acuity Scheduling for your consulting business and created a smooth, automated booking system that saves time and improves client experience. And that's how you use Acuity Scheduling for consultants. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.